Hello guys, this is me, Elijah, and today I'll be showing you railroad crossings around St. Louis, Missouri. I'm finna get started right now. I'm gonna go to Google Maps.
What are you doing?
Don't interrupt me, I'm making a video.
You know it's not gonna sound good. I tried it.
Alright, let's see, let's find a railroad crossing around St. Louis. Okay, here it is right here. Let me get closer to it. Alright. This is Broadway right here. This is by the Safeway Food Company. I'm gonna go to the railroad crossing. Let me go to the first railroad crossing. Get closer and closer and closer. All right, this is the first railroad crossing right here. This crossing location is at 5513 DeSoto Avenue, if I pronounce it right. Let's check out this crossing. This crossing has a rusty mechanical bell. It's got to be like either a Western-Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell. I can't tell the lights or the gate lights, but I can tell the bells. This one as well. This one has got like a rusty um, onion shaped uh, roof. The gate lights is the same as well. This railroad crossing line is owned by the TRRA Association of Railroad. That's in St. Louis only. Now let's go by the other railroad crossing. By this one. Shut up. Let me make a video. I'm going by Blvd Avenue. Alright. Okay, let's see. We have this railroad crossing at Talca Avenue. This one has a general type General Type 2 electronic bell, and the gate lights are electronic. Same railroad like the other one over there. This one has the same thing as well. Safetran. Now let's see what the old bell used to be. Alright. This railroad crossing was older back in 2012. You can notice there ain't no bait and ain't no bell. It's just a stick onion shaped thing. And the bell is still the same as from 2012. So let's go back over to the crossings over here. Okay, we at the E3rd Street Railroad crossing. The bells, the bell on this one is a General Type 2 electronic bell as well. The lights are mechanical. And this one is owned by the NSS. And the information is right here. Report problem or emergency. You call the number 1-800-946-4744. The dot number is 480228X. The other one, the other single right there is the same, but that one has the Safetran Type 3 electronic bell, but it died out. Let's go across the other crossing. If I can get to it. If I can get to this crossing, I can hope I can. get through it. I can get through it. Hope I can get to it. Okay, I'm gonna have to find a way to get to it because they won't let me get there. First, let's check out this crossing right here. This one is located at 498 Withnell Avenue. This crossing has a LED lights, and it has the same company, TRRA Railroad Association. And it has the shaped onion top again at this signal. Okay, the bell is a Safetran Type 2 electronic bell, I think. It's gotta be. And the lights are LEDs as well. Let's go to this one. Alright. This used to be a mechanical bell up there. I think it's called a grid swap or a Waco. But the gate lights are different now. Now the bell is a general Type 2 electronic bell. Alright. We done over from this. We done from this area. Now let's go to the abandoned railroad crossing. Abandoned railroad crossing signals, I mean.
This man just jumped me. I just got jumped. I am getting jumped again. Someone get this guy off of me.
Oops. Hold on. Let me go back to that crossing.
Hello? Hello?
Nah, that ain't it. That's not the cross I wanted to show you guys.
Hello? Did y'all mute Xeoman? Did y'all mute Xeoman?
Alright, this is the crossing at 185 E Grand Avenue.
Jumped and y'all didn't hear it.
The gate lights is probably LEDs and the lights as well. The bell is a Safetran Type 1 electronic bell. And this signal right here has a general Type 1 electronic bell. That's a different one. It's got the same thing as the other signal. Let's go to the other signal right here on the NS line. These signals are, I think the lights are LEDs as well. And this signal used to have a general Type 1 electronic bell. Now they switch it to general Type 3s. Okay. We're done at this crossing. We're finna go to the other crossing that's abandoned. Go to crossings that's abandoned. Okay, this is the first abandoned crossing. As you can see, it's all trees growing all over there. All the way from right there. See all those trees? And it's the gate box. I mean, it's the control box. This signal right here has probably a general Type 1 or a Type 2 electronic bell. I can't tell. But it's missing a gate. This is the NS line. This one has the same thing. It's missing a gate as well. This is how it looks like.
Bro,
And this is how it looks like back in 2012 while he was still active. So are we over there at that crossing over there at that avenue? These are the lights. Let's see. 17, 16, 19. I think in 2019 it became abandoned. It was never used again. So, that's it for this crossing. Let's go to the next abandoned crossing. Alright, this is the crossing right here. This one probably has, I don't know how you pronounce it, incandescents or something, or LEDs. And I think this one has to be like a general type 1 electronic bell. And it's missing the gate light. And you can see all the trees going over the tracks right there. This signal right here has the same thing. Same bell, I think. Or mix. Probably a general type 3 or something, I don't know. But it's got LEDs. And it's missing the gate as well. That is it for this crossing. Let's go to the next one.
what am I seeing?
Come on, this thing would stop playing around.
What am I doing? I'm just sitting here. You want some of this? You want some of this?
Okay, here's another abandoned railroad crossing. This is abandoned. The bell might be a Western-Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell, if you can see it right there. And these lights could be fresh bulbs or something. Same thing for this signal. This signal probably has the same thing as that one. Same line, in NSS. Alright, let's go to the next railroad crossing.
Oh my goodness! What is going on? I'm about to get finished.
Okay, let's see.
Did nothing. Lagging. So long. What is Dude, my thing is sucky. It's trash. It's not even good.
Okay, now we got this railroad crossing. This railroad crossing's at Angelo Rod Street.
The guy, the whatever.
Okay.
I have a
The
trash.
bell up here could be a general type 3, I think.
Like, he barely
And these
does.
lights could be just faded. Same thing for this one. The lights just busted off or fell off. But this is how it used to be back in 2011 with a mechanical bell. This one might be a Western-Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell. And the gate was still open or closed. But now, the gate is definitely closed now. It's gone forever. Ain't that sad that this crossing was abandoned? Yeah, it is. Now let's go to the different crossing.
Oh my gosh, dude. They just killed me. They just killed me in the... I don't know. Oh my god. Get away from me! What did I do?
This crossing is abandoned. This was taken in 2016, but it's probably just abandoned. You can see the maintenance truck right here.
Going back into the...
You can see it right there. These gate lights is probably a general type. The bell might be a general type 2E bell. Same thing for this one. This one don't have no bells. It's got like a stick or something. And these are the lights. Now let's go to the next crossing.
Change.
Okay, let's see. We're going to the next crossing right now. Okay, here it is. This is the crossing.
You call that a guard right? Mine was so
This one blew your mind.
amazing. What was that?
This is the real abandoned crossing. As you can see, the tracks have been painted over. But there's no other railroad crossing signal or no other signal. This one is probably just indentation lights or something. But there's no bell on this one. And the other signal might have been torn down or something by the railroad. And as you see, that's where it goes to the other crossing. But it now is going. And the tracks is all painted over. And you can see these cars is parked all over the tracks. I guess it's a parking lot now. I guess it's a free parking lot now. Because all the cars is parked on top of them. Okay, let's go to another crossing.
I miss. That's how bad
I know we touch you, man. Okay. Okay, let's come on. Okay, there we go.
Oh, okay. Well, this Y attack is very useless.
Alright, this crossing is at 112 Brent Street. And the bells are both mechanical bells. WCH on that one. And WCH on that one as well. And you can see both the gates, both of the crossing signals are missing the arm. This gate arm. And that's the lights of them. Now, this is what they looked like back in 2011 while they were still active. And that's their track over there by that other crossing. Now, this is what they look like now, today. Now it's all painted over. You see all the trees growing on the tracks and stuff? You see that truck from that other crossing over there? Yeah. They are all both abandoned on this side too. And these two signals, we don't know what they're going to do with them, but they got to do something with them because these bells are not going to stop rusting. Here it is again. That's the bell. These are the lights. Lights. It's all gone. Now I'm gonna go to it. We'll go over to this crossing. If there's one over there.
Explain. See that? I forgot how to.
Oops, not that way. Guess ain't no rubber crossing then.
Yes, because I can never get anything done with it. Everyone jumps me.
Let's go to the one up here somewhere. Okay, we passing in Broadway. We'll go to this crossing right here. And we're passing this old nice Volvo truck that's getting repaired. This was taken back in 2019. Okay. We at the 99, we at the 85 N Market Street. As you see the crossing lights, they're both LEDs. And the bell is a General Type 2 or a Safetran Type 3. And same thing for this one's LED as well. No bell, but with a gate. See the lights up there? And there's a crow up there too. Now let's go to this crossing right here right quick. This crossing is still used, by the way. So no, it's not abandoned. But they're both LEDs. This one is, and that one is. And that one is probably a General Type 2 electronic bell. And there goes LED lights again. This is on by the another railroad. TRRA Association of St. Louis. Terminal Association of St. Louis. I'm sorry about that. And these are the cars. Check out that nice BMW. BMW. And check out those trucks. And the Chevy Silverado. And the other trucks over there too. Alright, let's get back to the crossings. Now we're gonna take this way. Hold on 1 second. And this used to be a train bridge right here. This train bridge used to be active, but it was shut down in 2004 in this state, St. Louis, Missouri. So I never gotten to see it because I was only 2 to 3 years old while it was shut down. So I was real little when this was shut down. We'll go over here. Now by the trucks. We'll take a little crack at this crossing at the 2199 N Street, First Street. This is the lights right here. Could be inconstant, who knows? But this is the bell up here, a Safetran Type 2 bell. Same thing over there, but that one got more lights on the top to tell cars that a train is coming right there. But yeah, sometimes the B&S train will go around here too, at the Terminal Railroad Association of St. Louis. A B&SF goes around here too as well, and the signals are right here. These are the lights. All right, go to the next crossing. Oh, ain't no crossing. This is just all right. These lights are probably LEDs as well, and this mechanical bell could be a Western-Cullen-Hayes, and this one as well has a LEDs, but it's onion shaped top. Can't see the dock tag, can't get it up very close, but that's the dock tag on the signal. All right, now to the next signal. This one is on 1934 Inch First Street. The bell on this one is a mechanical bell. It's a Western-Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell, I think. And those are probably LEDs. And these are probably LEDs as well on this one, with a stick onion shape on the top. All right, let's go to the another crossing. This one is at 1788 in First Street as well. This one has a general type 1 electronic bell, but I looked at one video, it sounded like it's finna go out. So, and these are the LED lights as well. And this is the dirt dock tag information on there. These got LEDs as well. That one has the light on top. Now let's see how they look back in 2012. Yeah, this was a lot different back in 2012. These were the old lights. And these were the old lights as well on this one. Now, it's got LEDs. It's different now, ain't it? Different from 2019 to 2012. Now let's go to this crossing over here. This is a bad area too, so you gotta be careful while you railfanning this area because it's bad. These got LEDs as well, and that one probably has it don't have no bell, but it's got LEDs. Let's see, that one has a general type 2 electronic bell. Same thing, LEDs. We can see the workers over there working on the railroad. Let's go over there. Let's see. We got a mechanical bell, and it's Western-Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell, and it's got LEDs on the signal. This one got LEDs as well. All right, let's go to the second crossing. I mean to a different crossing. And you can see this is all graffiti on the by the railroad tracks. All nothing but graffiti. Let's see. Oops. Did I pass up a railroad crossing? I think I did. Let me see. Come on. Get up there, man. Oh wait a minute, no, I filmed. Hold on, I got this. I got it right here. Well, I forgot to tell you, this crossing was built in the 1940s. Yeah, this is built in the 1940s. And that's some rail cars over there. Okay, let's get to this other Old Fallon crossing. All right. This is these crossing signals got LEDs, and that one has the top one up top, and that one has like a Safetran type 2 electronic bell as well. Here's the gate mechanism. Here's the gates. Here's the signals. Here's one more look at the building right there. All right. Let's go to the Biddle crossing. All right, here comes the train. This is a Union Pacific train coming this way. Well, the other way. And here's the two buildings right here. This one and this one. And here comes, and here's the crossing right here. This is the gate lights right here. And those crossing gates and those lights are LEDs now. And this is the gate mechanism. Here's a look at the LEDs up here. And here's to look up the sign. Here's the lights again. The emergency information. And here's the look of this awesome bell. It is a Western-Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell, and it still works for all those years. I used to go around this. I used to go around this crossing all the time when I was younger. Back in like in 2007, back in 2007 and 8, I think, if I remember correctly. But let's go down to this last crossing, and I'm gonna call it that. I'm gonna make it to a part 2. Here it is without the train. There's the LEDs again. And there goes the Mississippi Bridge right there.
Now I gotta run all the way over here to get a car.
There goes the bridge, train bridge that goes over to the crossing over there. It's called Biddle, I think. Let me go back. Yeah, it's called 2 Biddle Street. Yeah, it's over there. Here's a look at it one more time. There they are. Now let's move on to the last crossing for the day. Just be patient with me. I'm gonna get to the crossing in a minute. Oh, here's a look at the arch. Look at the top of it. See the windows up there? That's the windows where you can see out the arch. And this is the whole arch up, down. That could be a good place to go when you come to visit the St. Louis, don't you think? And this is the river. This is the Mississippi River right here. And this is the boat. Alright, let's get on to the crossing. And let's take a look at this van right quick. And this nice bus right here. All right, here's the last crossing right here, and the street is called 47 Chouteau Avenue, if I pronounce it right. Now, this is the signal. We'll start for this signal right here. We can see the emergency dock tag right here, and the number is 424787X, and this is the gate mechanism and the gate base. And these are those are the gate lights, and these are the lights. They're LEDs, and the bell is a Safetran Type 3 electronic bell. Here's a look at the train bridge up here, Mississippi Bridge train, the Mississippi train bridge right here. We can see a all-direct train and a grainer train. 2 trains pass each other. If I'm correctly, this is the bridge. And this is the second bridge right here. That's by this crossing, the 13 feet 10 bridge. And this is another bridge up here, right here. And this is what it looked like right here. And this crossing right here has the same thing, Safetran Type 3 electronic bell. and the LED lights, and the tracks. But we'll get to that in a minute. But let's see how the crossings look like in 2009. Oh yeah, oh yeah. These are the old crossings. This one used to have fresh lights, and the bell used to be a WCS mechanical bell. Same thing for this one. It had the same thing. CWCX mechanical bell. I mean, Western-Cullen-Hayes has the same bell. The bell was around in 20. The bell was around until 2015. Let's see. In 2009, there used to be a extra pair of lights. 2011, they removed those extra pair of lights, and this one had now. In 2015, they still had the lights, but in 2016, they switched up the crossing signals. It's all electronic now, and still today, it's still like that. This was taken on, picture was taken on March 2002, 2022. Here's a last look at the train, NS Auto Wreck train. And this is about wrap it up for this first part of railroad crossings around St. Louis, Missouri. I will see you guys in part 2. All right. Have a good one.